Oh, hey friends, glad to see you. So today, this week's project is this giant retaining wall. We gotta tear it down, build a new one. It's gonna be sketchy, I'll tell you that, because we're on a giant hill and I can only work from up there. So I'm gonna be digging down here, lifting it up, and then I gotta bring it up a giant hill, which you can't see right now, with the excavator, and that's not going to be fun. Not looking forward to it. It's a little sketchy getting the machine down here, but we get it down. This wall is really rotten though, like super rotten. It's just falling apart, look. Pick at it. Okay, that's not so bad, but over here, just kind of it's falling apart, you know. Oh, I got some little friends there. Little potato bugs. Alright, we're going to attempt to tear down this retaining wall. Not attempt, we're going to do it. But it's kind of sketchy, you know, because it's on a hill, and then one on top of the hill. Oh, here goes everything. Well, we're making some progress, folks. It is looking good. It appears this retaining wall is full with massive rocks. I was kind of expecting it to be smaller rock, but it is giant rocks. But look at the size of this thing. Yeah. Just massive rocks. That's going to make things a little more challenging. It's going to make getting the base blocks a little more challenging, but it is what it is. We always run into something when you're doing these projects. Yeah, I know. Hey friends. Oh god, we made some progress. We got a portion of the wall tore out. It is a slow going process, man. We got this little area cleared out, ready for some block. Here's the giant hill I was telling you about. As you can see, it is quite large. It's even tricky getting the excavator through there, you know? We've been trying to figure out a way to get these retaining wall blocks down this giant hill here. And the excavator is having trouble going up it. So, what we've been doing is, it's very technical. It works like a charm. This retaining wall project, I think, is the most complicated one I've done so far. I've never worked on a wall from this side. Or, sorry, from up top. I've always worked on walls from below. Which isn't so bad. I don't think that's really going to be a problem. Getting down here, it's a giant slope. I think I have a solution. I'm just going to get my lawn tractor, hook it on to the cart thingy, and then I can fill it up with blocks, cart them down so far, because there's one part of the hill that's not so steep, and you can drive down that no problem. But then the second part of the hill is really steep. So, I'm going to just toss them down the second part, and then use my lawn tractor to get them down the first part. I think that'll work. Look at the progress we've made. So much progress. progress. What do you think? So much progress? No? Just got this little bit over here to do. I'm gonna try and venture down here and don't kill myself. Ugh. Yeah, look at that. It's coming along, man. A long ass journey though. Trying to get the material down here, the wall in place. It's getting close, getting so close to the finish line. Alright, time to tear down the remaining retaining wall. This is it, folks. This is it. Destruction time. Just digging some things up here. Just digging some things up here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, almost got the whole thing here. Destruction must destroy everything. What a beautiful day. The sun's shining. It's gonna be bright. Haven't seen the sun in so long. It's been so rainy the last week. Yeah. But that means it's gonna be hot. Hey Olivia. And you know, working in the heat kinda sucks. Kinda sucks. But what do you do, right? Just gotta get this job done. Hopefully my back can handle it, because my goodness, it is getting sore. So many blocks, 80 pounds a piece. Yeah, this is a big wall. We're so close to getting the first one done, and then the second one will be pretty easy. Looking forward to that. We got some new help coming today. We got 2 people, hopefully. I know 1 for sure. We should have a second, so that'll be 4 people in total, including myself. And that should make the wall just fly along, man. Just fly. Olivia's, I don't know what the hell she's doing down there. Oh, she's getting the bottle. There we go. You got a bottle. All right. That's exciting. You gonna chew the bottle? Even though it shouldn't be. Ugh, she farted. Ugh. God. That smells terrible. Ugh. Ugh. Alright, okay. We can, ugh. Woo! What have I been feeding you? That smells terrible. She don't care. Just looking out the window. Oh, it's 5:02. We better get to the job site. Well, it is 8:04. Nobody is here yet. That's not off to a good start. Even my regular guy. I mean, he just started like a week ago, but he isn't even here. But I think he did have to pick up his friend, so he might be a little late because of that. Ugh. Jeez. I think his friend is going to be helping us out here. Hopefully I don't have a friggin' day full of no-shows. That would not be good. Nobody likes doing these retaining walls, man. It's hard work. And there's like so many blocks that have to come down the hill. I mean, look at all the blocks. That's a lot of block to move. Oh, I think one guy just showed up. Might be getting dropped off. Yeah, it's kind of looking like it. Maybe not. I don't know. What the hell is she getting in the back seat? That's weird. She just like pulled over. She's in the driver's seat, then she got in the back seat. I don't know. What the hell is she doing? That's kind of weird. Maybe I should stop staring. What do you think, Olivia? Do you think they're going to show? Okay, well, everyone showed up today, so that's good. But one guy showed up for like 10 minutes and then he had to go. It's his baby. He had his wife or his baby mama, girlfriend, I'm not sure what she was, drop him off. He's like, all right, I'm just gonna go tell her that I'm good to go and I'm gonna stay here and work. And then he comes back, he's like, oh, my baby's sick, she's throwing up, we're gonna take her to the hospital, and then I want to work though, so I'll let them know, because he's from the temp agency. He's like, I'll let them know that I want to work and I'll come back here. And anyway, I'm sure, I mean, if his baby is throwing up, that sucks, and I hope he's okay. I kind of feel like we're kind of in a lockdown right now because of the pandemic, and I think only one person is going to be able to go in with the baby anyways. I could be wrong, I don't know. So he was also complaining about getting over here because where he lives is a bit of a drive for him. I don't know, man. We'll see if he comes back or not. He seemed very eager to work. He's telling me that this is what he used to do where he was from. He's from the Dominican Republic. And he said this is what he used to do. You just never know, man. I've been in business long enough to know that people are flaky. At least one of the extra help guys showed up, so that's helping out. He seems like a good person. Hello, Sonny. This is gonna be me when I'm older because I'm lifting all these heavy blocks. Hello, Sonny. Can you pass me the ketchup in the fridge?
Wisdom is not even that good. I don't know why.
Can you pass me the butter from the top shelf? I'm having fun.
Into a conversation.
No, I'm just recording the video.
Oh.
You ready? Get it. Well, that's going to be a wrap for this week's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe. If you're still here, you might as well subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.